Hi everybody, I'm on Wonder of the Seas and I'm going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 14564. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay everybody, I'm going to start where I always do, on the door where it shows all the safety information. So let's start this cabin tour. Okay, as you can see, muster station is on deck 4, C1. We're at the front of the ship. You can see right there, front of the ship. Door has a peephole cover, which is wonderful. Beside the door, you've got the key card holder where you have to have a key card in here to have the power on. They do provide that for you. Master light switch by the door. As you come in on the right hand side, you've got the entrance to the bathroom. Beside the bathroom, you do have your thermostat. I had to turn that up because it's freezing today here in Miami. The high today was about, what, 64? Really cold this morning. Nice bathroom. You've got your pod shower with adjustable shower head. You do have the clothesline. You've got the single bath wash. You've got a little holder there for your soap or toiletries. And then on the bottom here you do have the leg holder to hold your leg up while the ladies are shaving their legs. New underneath here you've got a I believe that looks like washcloth holders. Haven't seen that before. As you go around, you've got your toilet. And then you've got shelving unit on the side right here. You've got 3 shelves there. And then you've got fairly nice sink area. Little bit of storage stuff on the bottom there. Towel holders. You do have power outlet up here. It does say shaver only, but I'm sure that you could plug in your phone to charge there. So that is your bathroom. This is the ship where the doors slam regardless because of that magnetic holder thing there. Power switch for the bathroom. As you come on around, you've got an arm wire. Very spacious. Plenty of room, plenty of hangers. As we come on around, we've got a sofa. Sofa is nice, fairly large. Probably a third person would be able to sleep on that. I'm not sure for this category room if it is for multiple people in here. If it is, that would be the only place to sleep because the couch does not pull out. As you come on around, you've got another arm wire. This one does have the safe in it. Show you how big the safe is. Probably iPad mini. I don't even think you'd get a MacBook Air in there. Maybe. No. Maybe. I'm not gonna say. Some shelves. And then you've got 2 more drawers. Plenty of space in the drawers. Then as we come on around, you've got a lamp on this side. This lamp does have USB port and power adapter. You've got some space to store things there. You've got the royal so-called king bed. It's really probably a queen size bed. And then on the other side, as you can see, we've got something plugged in. And then you've also got another USB-A port. Phone down there. And then as we come around, you've got the TV. TV does swing out. And you do have access to the ports. And as you can see, we've already been cocktail shopping. We have waters for our status, and then you've got your menus. You've got hair dryer, Kleenex box. And I'll notice that if you need to dispose of sharps, you can call your stateroom attendant. More drawers. Underneath here, you've got your chiller. Not using it right now. You've got your desk area. Fairly decent chair on that. And then this desk area does pull out, and it can make a table. Over on the desk area, you do have a regular North American outlet. As you can see, I've got my phone plugged in. You've got European outlet. You've got two USB-A ports. You've got another European outlet, and then two more North American outlets. You've got a round lighted up mirror for vanity. And then on the other side here, you've got a full length mirror to look at yourself. Okay, so we've seen the room, so let's check out the balcony. Okay. This right here is the balcony. You've got two chairs. They do have the pull-out ottoman, so you can prop your legs up. Unfortunately, just a really small table. Not the best if you want to have a meal outside here, but spacious. But the balcony is spacious, plenty of room. A little bit of an overhang here. You do have a little bit of a mechanical thing there, but you still have the beautiful views of Miami, Port of Miami. Going over to where MSC is. So that right there is the balcony. And this is the cabin. Okay, everybody, so I wanted to give you just a quick review of the room. The room's nice. We've spent 24 hours here. And the one thing that I can say is at night, remember this room is right next to where the elevators are, so you're going to get a lot of foot traffic. I have heard some of the noise from that. Last night at around 2 a.m., I did hear what I think is chairs being moved around. Again, we're on deck 14, so deck 15 is above us. I have no idea what's above us right now, but at around 2:30 in the morning, I was awakened by some noises from above. I'm assuming that it was chairs being moved around, stacked, or something like that. Other than that, the room is nice. I have no problems with it whatsoever. Would I book this room again? Probably not, because being right next to the elevators with the noise, not my thing. And again, I don't know what was happening upstairs last night, but I'm hoping that that's not going to happen again tonight, but I suspect it will. Otherwise, I just kind of wanted to give you my little review of this room. I think it's a good room. I think it's great for people that need to be close to the elevators. The balcony's nice. It does have the overhang on it. Yeah, that's my review. So hope you enjoyed it. So there you have it, everybody. That is cabin 14564 on Wonder of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a spacious balcony cabin on the starboard side of the ship. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.